Cold.
Alright, what do you have to say about this night? What do you think of it?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
You like fire?
Yes.
Hi everyone, I'm Lillian.
And I'm Felipe.
We are the Postmodern family.
We are Americans living in the UK, living a traditional life.
What's up?
Follow us on Insta, Twit, Face, and Pat.
You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, patreon.com/the Postmodern family. We also have a teespring.com store, which is we're selling t-shirts, and the profits that come from that are going towards our interns, so we encourage you to check that out. But this video, we're going to chat with you guys about what we did for Guy Fawkes celebration, Bonfire Night. We really struggled. We really wanted to find was a bonfire. Because you would think, for Bonfire Night, that you would have a bonfire. But we couldn't find anything in like all of Hampshire.
The Monday, which is the 5th of November, we wanted to find a bonfire. And I looked online, I asked you guys on the channel, I asked on the platform, I asked at work, I asked everyone within earshot, and no one could come up with a recommendation for a public bonfire.
Oh, he's attacking me.
So we had a campfire of our own. Not a bonfire, a campfire.
Don't tell health and safety. Alright, so what are we doing here?
We're getting ready to create our very own bonfire.
Bonfire.
Bumfire.
Bonfire. You tell me, what are we gonna burn?
Yeah, a guy.
What are we gonna
A
burn?
Guy Fawkes.
Hey, where did these come from?
These are from our date night episode.
How long ago was that?
More than a year ago, I think.
I think so.
Just drop it in here, okay? There you go. It's all in hand.
Yikes. Well done, you've got it going. There are 5 in each. So, these are the little ones. Okay? Shall I light it and then I'll give it to you? What's going on? Woo! And we made a little mini effigy and we burned him.
Tell Mom.
What's his name?
Guy Fawkes.
And what did he do? Do you know what he did?
He did bad things.
Like what?
He stole people's family and killed them.
Did he?
What did he do? I think he tried to blow up Parliament.
Go. Put it in the fire. Get closer. Get closer.
Throw it.
Get closer.
Ooh.
Over here.
Whoa.
You getting it?
I am.
The face is burned. Mom, the face is burned.
Yeah. The whole guy is burning. And we tried to find some like bonfire night foods. I ended up picking up a sticky toffee flavored pudding that was bonfire themed. I don't know why it was bonfire themed. So we tried to heat it up in the fire. The fire was rather weak, so I ended up it didn't get hot. Sticky toffee flavored bonfire night cake. Was it bonfire pudding cake? I'm gonna put it in a tin here. It says you're supposed to heat it up, so we're gonna see if we can heat it up in the fire. You can see it.
Don't burn it. Well, nothing.
It's good? What does it taste like? Daddy, have a bite. So what do you guys normally eat for bonfire night? P? M? That's hard. F? It's so pretty. I must say it's a perfect day for this. It's not very cold, right?
Because of the bonfire.
So we couldn't find a bonfire night anywhere locally to our area, probably because health and safety has put a stop to all the fun. Maybe it's the EU, maybe it's Brexit, who knows, but we had to make our own bonfire in which we used random catalogs, random paintings, canola oil, and a few other bits and bobs so that we could burn our guy. And we burned him. And we had sticky toffee, which I don't know if it's part of the tradition or not, but we found it at the co-op, so we got it. And we had sparklers, no jacket potatoes. Lillian forgot them.
Felipe says that I forgot the jacket potatoes, but I'm not gonna sit out here for like an hour to cook a jacket potato on a makeshift bonfire. No.
I know, it's a travesty. No black peas. No treacle coffee. Is it treacle or treacle? I don't know what it is, but here we are. Say happy bonfire night.
Happy bonfire.
So thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below and let us know some other traditions that you do. And we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.